Hello, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. What I wanted to bring to you today is a review lesson highlighting some of the digraphs we've been learning about. So our SH, our CH, and our TH digraphs, okay? As you can see at the top of your screen, we have those digraphs for you in a little bank, a little word bank up here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to review the sounds that each of these digraphs make in isolation before we get started with our activity. So, the first one, as you can see, I just circled it, is SH, okay? Now, I want you to think for a minute, what is the sound that SH makes by itself? Remember, when S and H are paired together, they make a specific sound. I want you to tell me what that sound is. That sound is shh. When S and H are paired together, they say shh. Okay? Now, moving right along, let's go ahead and review our next digraph, our CH. Now, remember, when C and H are paired up next to each other, they make a specific sound too. What does CH say when they're paired up next to each other? CH says ch, ch, ch. So far we've reviewed SH says shh, and CH says ch. All right, last but not least, we have TH, okay? Now, do you remember what TH says? If you do, when T and H are paired up together, what do they say? I want you to tell me. T and H say. Now that one is kind of hard to hear because it's a very silent or very quiet sound, okay? So when I make the sound that TH says, I bite my tongue. So again, to review, SH says shh, CH says ch, and TH says. So what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we're going to figure out which digraph goes at the beginning or end of each of the words that you see on the screen in front of you. So this picture right here, this is of money, okay? But another word to describe money could be cash. So we have our k, a, sh, k, a, sh. Now, which one of our digraphs goes at the end of this word? SH, CH, or TH? K-ash. If you said SH, you're completely correct. At the end of this word is SH, cash. Okay, moving right along is the next picture. Such a cute little picture. This is of a baby chimp. So listen to that carefully. Ch-imp, chimp. Ch-imp, chimp. What goes at the beginning of the word chimp? SH, CH, or TH? If you said CH, you're correct. Ch-imp, chimp. Okay, let's keep moving right along. This next picture is not a butterfly. This is a moth. 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 What goes at the end of this word? SH, CH, or TH? Moth. If you said TH, yeah, absolutely. Remember that TH sound says okay. Moving right along, let's do the last one that's on this page. This is a picture of a school lunch. Your lunch at home might not look like this anymore, but this is usually what it looks like at school. Lunch. We have a lunch tray. Lunch. What goes at the end of this word? Lunch. SH, CH, or TH? If you said CH, you are absolutely correct. Lunch. Lunch. Now, I want you to go ahead and I want you to finish the rest of the words on this page, and I want you to figure out if we are missing an SH, CH, or TH at the beginning or ending of each of these words. See you again soon. Bye-bye.